So hi chemical engineers, I'm Abdul Malik bin Masrin. So for today I'll be doing an Redox simulation with using Visual Mintac. So for the task given is simulate what can happen in acid sulfate soil if it is being drained for agricultural purposes, and the changes of pH if is from pH 4 to pH 12. Um, and assume the acid sulfate soil has an original pH of 4 and contains of 0.001 mole of HS minus 1 and 0.001 mole of SO4. So the first thing I'm going to do is, by using my Visual Mintac, determine the redox potential of the redox couple HS and SO4 sulfate at a pH of 4 and the ionic strength of 0.00. And then the second one is by using Visual Mintac to continue and multi-sweep to stimulate what happens to 1 gram of Machina white, and the pH changes from 4 to 3 at the redox potential of adiabatic, which is negative 236, and allow for ferrihydride to precipitate, and also plot a graph that shows the concentration of dissolved of Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, HS minus, SO4 minus 2, and H2S versus BH. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up the Visual Mintac. pH fix is in 4 as mentioned. Let's add 0. The ionic strength, okay, the ionic strength is 0.00. Second component, first of all, is HS minus with a total concentration of molar of 0.001, add to list, then SO4 minus 2, total concentration of molar is 0.01, add to list. So before that, we shall view and edit list. See, okay, everything is alright. Back to main menu. So the parameters to specify the redox potential. So it's computed, supply gas. Let the computer gas estimate. So let's just put it 50. Save and back to main menu. Now because we are doing for redox, so we need to specify the redox couple. We are taking the HS and SO4 minus 2. Add back to main menu, and we can run Mintac. As you can see, the redox potential is 7, and the electron activity 0.118 pH of 4. So let's go back to the input menu. I can start by parameters. Fix, which is minus 236. Let's go back to main menu. And we also need to specify the solid phase and the excluded species. So specify the finite solid phase. We are using the Makina White, and the molal is 0.017. 0.0117. Add to list. Back to main menu. We also specify the possible solid phases or hydride. Add back to main menu. Okay, start or doing the sweep. So sweep, one parameter is varied. So the number of problems that we need is 19. So the start value we shall put 4. Increment between values is that's 0.5 pH. Okay, so we need to specify the total dissolve and the concentration of Fe2 plus, or the total dissolve at Fe3 plus, total dissolve at then HS, and this to dissolve at SO4 minus 2. So need to specify the total dissolve and the concentration of the H2S. H2S equals here it is, the concentration at save and back. Seems like we've done it all, so we can start and run the MinTech. Okay, the redox potential that we got is negative 236, and the electronegatividity is minus 3.989, and we can start selected sweep result, and the ionic for the total dissolve is K. Print Excel. It shall take a while. We move it here. This we put it down, and this will bring. As you can see in the task given, that we need to plot a graph that shows the concentration of the dissolve of Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, HS minus, and sulfate, and H2S versus pH. Highlight, and scatter plot. Let's move this here. We'll make it on a logarithmic scale, and the axis value is, hold on, make it logarithmic scale. The axis value is minus 30. Okay. We need to make it a professional graph to make it look much more professional. Don't forget the tick box. We are doing the graph of concentration versus pH. Oops. For concentration is MV. Okay. And there you go. And that's all for me. Thank you.